Hey there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial. Today we're learning how to integrate BlogHandy into a Weebly site. So as you can see, I'm already logged into my Weebly account and now I'm gonna click on Edit Site. And once this is loaded, I have to first add my blog page. So I go on Pages. And here I can press the plus button and I add a standard page. I can then give that a name, my blog. And then I will head over to the SEO settings. And I have to go down here to the footer code. So now I have to get this code from my BlogHandy account. So I'm going to BlogHandy. And I have to get this step 1 code. I click on copy and head back to Weebly, and I just copy paste this code here and click on back, done. And now I've got my blog page here in the menu. I can click on it and now I have to go down here to the place where there's drag elements here. Now click on build. And now I need to find the embed code. And I click on it and drag it over to here. Now I have to go back to BlogHandy. I have to copy the step 2 code, head over to Weebly, and click here on Edit Custom HTML. Paste this in, just click anywhere else. And now I can click on Publish. This is my link. So now I have to click on it. And this is my new Weebly website. I head over to the My Blog section. And as you can see, the blog is already being loaded. But to finalize the setup, I have to copy paste the URL, head over to BlogHandy, go to Settings, and enter as a blog URL my Weebly blog URL and press on Save All Changes. Now the blog has been successfully set up on my Weebly website, and as you can see here, it's loading my blog posts successfully. Thanks a lot for listening.